YouTube? What are we doing today? We are in Waxahachie, Texas. And if you can hear, there's a bunch of trucks right behind me. And they're all C10 generation, 87 and older. It's C10s in the park. One of my favorite events of the year, especially for the C10 truck scene. It is mine. One day, Saturday, there's a bunch of stuff happening a couple days before out in the city. But let's go find some cool trucks. Beautiful Apache. So C10s in the Park happens every September, about mid-September, in Waxahachie, Texas. It's going to be every Chevy truck 87 and older, so C10 and older. So you get the Apaches, you get the 50s that we like to call the bubble trucks, and a bunch of other cool stuff. Dualies, K5s, everything. Not going to see everything. There's over 1,200 trucks, and you know we get busy. But let's go find some cool stuff. Super cool slammed early C10 long bed with some Willwoods in there, of course. This one's got a diesel. Very cool. Awesome truck. Our boy Shorty brought out this really cool van. It's technically a C10, right? Very cool paint job on it by Shorty's Paint Custom. Love this van. They're doing business. Group of really nice square bodies. It's 7:30 in the morning, and there's a bunch of people still rolling in. It takes a little while to load in 1,200 C10s. This is a beautiful truck. Love the black stripe on that maroon. Looking good. Blower action going on there. Very cool. Another supercharged Magnuson LS with a race pedal assembly. Trust me, that's what that is. Willwood master cylinders. Awesome Willwood big old 14-inch brakes. Love this 6872 beautiful gold C10. Don't know what it looks like under the body, but it looks like it means business. Very cool. And of course, square body dualies. Square body dualies. You know I love them. There's this guy. Always likes to attack me. But next to it is this beautiful Chevy 3100, I believe. Very nice. It is. Wifey calls this the bubble trucks. She loves these. Might be a 53, 54. It's very nice. You know, I gotta give props to my peeps. Mad Gear. Another early C10. So many nice big wheels with some white wall. I think these are actually faux white wall where the wheel's the white wall, but that's still cool looking. Very nice. Love the white on the black, or the black on the white. Very cool. Beautiful old Chevy truck. Waxahachie, gotta love it, right? Big old heart. Like I said, it's going to be very difficult to cover everything. Give you an idea, this goes all the way back, I don't know, a couple hundred yards, all the way to the back, filled almost completely already. It's not even 8 in the morning. Very cool. Hey, how about a square body Suburban? But yeah, we're gonna find a handful of them, and you got to come out and do this event on your own, really, to get the full experience. How about this awesome Apache? Gosh, I love these. Look at that. Beautiful Apache. Love the bronze wheels with the white wall, thin wall tires on it. White on bronze, just looking cool. I always get it mixed up. It's right, it's bronze on white. Awesome fleet side. And then this big old C30. This thing's cool. Or K30 because it's all-wheel drive. I don't know. Someone's going to correct me, I'm sure. But it's very neat. And that's the crowd. If you want to buy merch, check in. And that's an early crowd. Beautiful orange C10 LS swap. Willwood, of course. People still rolling in. Got the line coming in from back there, filling up all the corners. Very nice. Wiping it down. It's just a nice truck. Let's look at the interior. Love it. So well done. Nice, simply lowered, static, square body C10. Very well done. Thing's cool. Love these old Suburbans. I put this, it was about 63-ish, early to mid 60s. Very nicely done. Sitting next to same generation C10 truck. Very nice, simple OEM, nicely lowered. So let's look at that guy. That is just cool. And that looks like a whole lot of fun. Just go camping in, right? Very cool. Beautiful orange Suburban, square body. Very cool. And let's wrap around because you can see we're not even halfway through the park. And I don't think we're going to make it all the way around. But it is packed, brim to brim. I know I keep saying that, but it's true. That's why you got to come out. Row of square bodies. There's a dually at the end of it. This is about the midway point. Give you the full perspective. This is the second half of the event. They're still rolling trucks in. It's not full yet. It takes a while. I'm telling you. I know I keep saying it and I say it every year. You gotta come out and see it yourself. There's a single cab dually. This thing is super cool. Cool truck. Willwoods, of course. Early C10. Custom hood. Look at that. Let's come around. See all the business. Built LS. Pro Charger. Love the white with the black red outline stripe. It's a cool truck. All business. How about a bubble truck dually? I don't know why you'll love that. You saw how full it was, and they're still loading in. And this is like towards the end of the line because they wrap around the entire park. So this is like one side, and the entrance all the way on the other side. So yeah, we're heading back to the office for the day. Public's gonna get let in here shortly. They're still loading. It's a great event. Love C10 trucks. You love classic Chevy trucks. You gotta make it out to Waxahachie. Check that out. It just keeps coming. Cool truck after cool truck. We'll see y'all soon. I'll be in California in a couple weeks, and then we got SEMA. Stay tuned. Follow us. RMJ Motoring.